very good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed till polysaccharides. Now we will do DNL confirmation. Okay. So what will happen in this one? Only revision I am giving for this one. If OH group is present on right hand side of the second last asymmetrical carbon, then it is called D form, and L form in case of its vice versa. And it is vice versa means to say if we are putting here a mirror, fine, then a thing which we can see from here, what the thing will come on this mirror side. So what it is, CHO is remain as a CHO, CHOH3 is remain as this. Now the changes will come in this one. So what will happen? HOH. Here OH is the right hand side. So like this, when we will see in the mirror, this OH has to be seen as HO. Okay, C as it is, and H will come on the right hand side, and CH2OH with CH2OH. It is said to be the D glucose and L glucose. Fine. So they are saying here OH is on right hand side, when it will come on the asymmetrical, it is on the left hand side. Second one example we can take here, CHO COH CH2OH. It is said to be diglyceryl aldehyde. Now again we can see in a mirror, asymmetrical we can see in a mirror. So what will happen? Other things are remain same. So this OH, this changes into HO, and this H will come on the right hand side. Now next is alpha beta conformation. Till now we have studied DL conformation. Now we will study alpha beta conformation. So in this one what will happen? If a cyclic structure OH group present on right side. Now listen it very carefully. OH group is present on the right hand side, then it is called as alpha. Similarly, beta OH group is present on the left hand side. Now OH group on one side, right hand side, second one on the, now you can see in the right hand side, second one in the left hand side. So what we can say, let's see an example. In an example we can say COH with H. You can put it like this also, straight line. It is our wish how we will put. Then CHOH with 3 C and CH2OH. Now here O will come with C and this one C in between. Now what the formation takes place? The formation takes place, first you see the easy one. C, C, CHO3, CHO3, C. Now first of all you see CH2OH. Now you can see this C. C is coming in between with this OC. With C, H is present and OH is present. Now you can see here. H is present here and OH is present here. Now again we will do the asymmetrical thing. When we will do the asymmetrical thing, how the formation takes place? The formation takes place like this. CHOH with CHOH3, and it will come here. CH2OH with C. Here H will come on this one side. OH will come. Understood? So it is said to be the beta D glucose. It is said to be the D glucose. It is said to be the alpha D glucose. After this, we can study on the basis of our points prepared a cyclic structure of glucose, which is given below. The structure we are using here, HOHH, okay, this structure, this is called as the alpha glucose. Now what we have to changes in this one? Now beta, H, here OH is present. Now when we putting a double bond here, H will be removed, HOH will come, HOH, HCHOH, HC. Now here you can see O is coming on this one side. So what we will take? O this one, and H formation which is coming on this one side, and CH2OH. It is said to be the D glucose. It is a open chain structure. Next one we will use, next structure is beta D glucose. In a beta D glucose you can see OH, the same structure formation takes place from here C, here O, and this one C. So what we can say on this one side, C, O, because OH will come on this one side. That's why we are using here alpha D glucose. Understood? Next we are using here Paranose structure or alpha D glucose. So this one we will do the next time. Thank you students and have a nice day.